I've been injured in an accident. When should I hire a lawyer? Hi, I'm attorney Christopher Nicolaysen, and today I'm here to talk to you about when and if you should hire an attorney for your car or auto accident. And the reality is for us as personal injury attorneys, I would tell you that the best time to hire a lawyer is the moment you start thinking about it, because there are questions that you need answered. And usually that best time is going to be right after you've been injured, right after the accident has happened. And so you are injured in a crash to no fault of your own. You then go to the emergency room or urgent care, and now you're starting to get phone calls from insurance companies and having to deal with treatment and care. And you just need somebody to lift that burden off. And a lot of times a good legal team can actually help you do that. So that's one of the areas where, from an emotional stress standpoint, and then also a teachable guiding standpoint, where a good law firm, a good injury firm can actually help you out along the way. Alternatively, there's another path for you to go. And I kind of equate it to the idea of, we can learn a lot of things these days and do them on our own. And do, for example, like if I wanted to change my oil, I could learn to do that on YouTube, and then I could look it up and change my oil. It depends on what kind of person you are. So a lot of information is out there on the internet on how to get your case started, how to do your treatment properly, things like that. It depends on your, kind of your own mental capacities and your bandwidth that you have within your own life. So if you're somebody that likes doing that stuff, then maybe you go a little bit longer before you hire or talk to an attorney about your car crash case. But if you're somebody, though, that's just like, hey, you know what, help me out here, I don't want the stresses of it, then it's probably something where you need it more at the beginning. But along the way, that the reason that you want to do it at the beginning is there can be things that can happen down the road that may not be able to be fixed if there are errors or bumps in the road that happen. It can be, but it just may or may not be able to happen. So that's why we recommend generally at least having a conversation with a personal injury attorney or legal team right at the beginning. Just have a conversation with them. They then can give you some guidance on whether or not, you need to hire right away or not. But at least you're gaining some information and knowledge just from that, that consultation with the personal injury attorney. So it varies, but we recommend here talking to us first, getting some information, and then deciding. We've had plenty of potential clients that we've talked to where we're like, maybe now's not the right time for you, but at least now they have some information and a path forward before they make the final call to hire and work with a legal team. So that's what we recommend, is just talking to a legal team, finding the right fit, getting some information, and then making that choice.